Welcome to this video where we're about to reflect on the past year and see how from challenges sprung innovation and community. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep, and today we'll be discussing the impact of the pandemic on the maintenance and reliability industry and how an entirely new community was born out of it. If you're part of this industry, you'll surely appreciate the resilience and camaraderie we've witnessed and get a chance to join this vibrant, growing community. Reflecting on the roller coaster that was 2020, it's clear it was a year like no other, marked by challenges and changes that reshaped our world. The COVID-19 pandemic introduced us to new terms like lockdowns, social distancing, and stay-at-home mandates, which have now become staples in our vocabulary. Despite the hardships, there were countless acts of bravery and kindness, with individuals across the globe stepping up to make a difference. Among these heroes are the maintenance and facilities workers, who have played a crucial role in keeping our communities safe and functioning. At UpKeep, we recognize the invaluable contributions of these professionals, who tirelessly ensure that our society's essential needs are met, day in and day out. In response to the pandemic and the resulting social isolation, UpKeep took a significant step by creating an entirely new department focused on building an online community from scratch. This initiative led to the birth of the Maintenance Community Slack Group, a vibrant hub designed to connect maintenance and reliability professionals. This platform serves as a central resource where industry experts can share knowledge, tools, and support in real time, completely free of charge. The goal was to foster a sense of connection and community among those in the field, allowing them to share their expertise and learn from one another. Today, the Maintenance Community Slack Group boasts over 3,000 members from various time zones, engaging in discussions, participating in free webinars, and growing together. This community is the first of its kind, dedicated solely to maintenance and reliability professionals without any hidden agendas or advertisements. It's a pure effort to give back to an industry that contributes so much to our daily lives. The community not only serves as a support network, but also promotes diverse perspectives, encourages the sharing of experiences, and facilitates inclusive conversations among both seasoned experts and newcomers in the maintenance field. As we continue to navigate these uncertain times, the importance of recognition and appreciation for the maintenance and facilities workers has never been more evident. This community is a testament to the resilience and solidarity of those in the industry, proving that even in the face of adversity, we can come together to support and uplift one another. If you're involved in the maintenance and reliability industry and looking for a place to connect, learn, and grow, consider joining the Maintenance Community Slack Group. It's an opportunity to meet and interact with professionals who share your challenges and aspirations. Sign up today and be part of a unique community that's just getting started on its journey to empower and inspire. And that brings us to the end of this video. We've discussed the impact of the pandemic on the maintenance and reliability industry, the birth of a new community, and the invaluable contributions of maintenance and facilities workers. If you found this content helpful, we'd appreciate it if you could hit the subscribe button for more insightful videos. Don't forget to visit our website at upkeep.com to learn more about our initiatives and resources. Thank you for watching, and remember, we're all in this together.